There's a lot to do here. I mean, the weather could not be better. And one thing you can do here that you can't do at a lot of other beaches is actually ride bikes on sand. Riding bikes on the beach is super fun and it's a challenge. We really had to cooperate and that brought us closer together as a family. This was such a treat for our family. I mean, we've been bike riding before, we've been to the beach before, but to do kind of a mashup of both, to ride bikes and get that breeze and then cool off in the ocean, just perfect. When we were ready to cool off, we raced for ice cream. My husband and my daughter won, but that's okay because we all had a great time. We've really had a full day. What started out as riding bikes turned into a full-on beach day, which is great because it means they're going to sleep all the way home.